Hello everyone, I am Anuj Khani and today I will be showing you how to use a touch sensor with Arduino. For this, we will need an Arduino board. I'll be using an Arduino Uno. We will also need a breadboard, some jumper cables and of course a touch sensor. Now let's do the wiring. The wiring is very simple. First connect the sensor to the breadboard. Then connect the jumper cables to the breadboard. Connect the signal pin of the sensor to any digital pin on the Arduino. I'll be connecting it to digital pin number 8. Then connect the VCC on the sensor to the 5V pin on Arduino and the GND on the sensor to the GND on the Arduino. First, we declare the pin to which we have connected the signal pin of the touch sensor. Then we declare the touch sensor as an input device and set the serial monitor baud rate at 9600. Then we create an input variable which contains the value of the touch sensor. When the sensor is not touched, the sensor signal pin is low. When the sensor is touched, the sensor signal pin is high. So, in this if statement, it is checked if the sensor is not touched. If it is not touched, this is printed, and if the sensor is touched, this is printed. Now that we know how to use a touch sensor, let us do a simple project. In this project, instead of getting the message on the serial monitor, an LED will light up when the sensor is touching and it will turn off when the sensor is not touched. Wiring is very simple. First connect the LED to the breadboard. Then connect the 220 ohm resistor to the cathode pin of the LED. Then connect the wires to the breadboard. Connect the anode pin of the LED to digital pin number 13 and the cathode pin of the LED to the GND pin on Arduino. The code is not modified much. First, the LED is declared to be connected to digital pin 13. In the void setup, the LED is declared to be an output device. In the void loop, in the first if statement, instead of printing something in the serial monitor, the LED is turned off if the touch sensor is not touched. In the second if statement, when the touch sensor is touched, the LED is turned high.